Healthy, vegetarian, vegan, delicious, spicy. Today we're going to make a chickpea vegetable curry. It's very, very easy, very, very simple, and tastes absolutely delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So you can use any vegetables that you want. Obviously this is the selection that I'm using. Let's have a look. So we've got about a cup each. So a cup of onions, a cup of carrots. That's like 2 tomatoes. I've got some chickpeas there. They're from a can. If you're going to use them from a can like I have, give them a nice wash in some cold water. Green beans, bell peppers, zucchini, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, fresh chili, that's up to you how much you want to put in, some cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and then here, what I always call the big 4, we've got a teaspoon each of chili, turmeric, cumin and coriander. This is very simple and very delicious. So in there, I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil, but you could use something different if you wanted. Coconut oil might be nice. We're heating that up. We're on an above medium heat. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. And just let them do their thing in that oil. Infuse the oil, give it a lovely flavor. Then we're going to go in with our 1 cup of onion. Then I'm going to start to add some of our hardest vegetables. So in my case, it's the carrot, about a cup of carrot cut nice and small, and the green beans. But if you had celery or something like that, you'd add that in now as well. While I'm here, let's get some salt in the mix. And stay on this above medium heat for about 3 minutes. So that's just like 3 minutes in, just to give them a little head start. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, which is a 50-50 mix of the 2. In goes a couple of tomatoes. Try and use a nice ripe, juicy tomato. We're going to add our fresh chili. Up to you exactly how much you want to put in. Then we're going to add the big 4. So 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, chili powder, cumin and coriander powder. If you don't have all of those spices, you could just use a curry powder that you may have. Okay, let's go for another 3 minutes. Again, fairly high heat here, above medium, keeping it moving. So the tomatoes are just starting to break down a little bit. We're now going to go in with our chickpeas, the bell pepper, all about a cup each, and the zucchini. Wonderful stuff. We're going to go for about 4 to 5 minutes now. Again, staying on the high heat. We might get some moisture from the tomatoes as they break down. And this is looking absolutely fabulous. Got a bit of moisture there from the tomatoes, but we want it fairly dry, this one anyway. Off goes the heat, check that for salt, in goes some cilantro or coriander. Job done. You've got a really simple, beautiful chickpea vegetable curry there. And there you go. Nice, easy, spicy, beautiful. Now, I like to eat that with some chapati or some roti, some bread. But if you want, you could have that with some rice. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.